I guarantee you don't know what kind of animal this is. I myself only recently found out that it looks like a cross between a bear and a cat. It's called a benturong, and it's one of the strangest animals on the planet. Let's start with the fact that they smell like popcorn. They have special glands, and this smell is needed to mark their territory. The benturong has an amazing telltale like a monkey's. It can hang from a branch holding on only with its tail. Although formerly a predator, the benturong loves fruit, especially figs, and plays an important role in spreading seeds in forests. Interestingly, they have a matriarchal society, meaning that females are larger and more important than males. It is nocturnal and slowly climbs trees in the tropical forests of Southeast Asia. Admit it, you want one of these at home, right?